Hey guys, my name is Ethan Rocket. I'm with BeeGreen Recycling and Supply. This is the fab shop. We're going to be cutting out some templates and signs that we use for our dumpsters and equipment. We're going to be cutting them out on a CNC plasma table, and we'll take you along for the ride. So first step of the process with the CNC plasma table is this is our CNC control box right here. This is controlled by the computer. We'll upload a design in here. We use DXF files. DXF it comes from CAD software, different types of CAD software. We use My Mini CAD. It's convenient and easy. We'll design a logo, lettering, any kind of file that you have line drawings with. You can turn it into a DXF file, and we'll upload it into the computer. Make sure everything looks right with our lead-ins, all of the cut speed, like we check all of our cut parameters, set everything up, we upload it into the machine, and then we go and cut it on the table. So after, I've uploaded a logo here. It's our BeeGreen logo. It's got the recycling symbol around the B, and then it's got the BeeGreen lettering underneath. We'll go over here to the table and make sure that everything is in order and it's all freely moving. There's no obstructions in the way. And then we'll lay out our sheet metal on the table. We'll make sure that we have plenty of room for the cutting head to move around on the table, and then we'll get to cutting. So these brackets and signs that we're cutting out, a lot of this equipment and pieces that we're using, we're cutting out to be installed onto our dumpster retrofits that we're doing. We purchased these dumpsters from different disposal companies that have dumpsters that they're not using anymore. And we take those pieces, or these dumpsters, and we flip them over. We cut all the rails off on the bottom. We get a clean, smooth rail on the bottom of this dumpster, and then we install new rails. This is the main hook lift. This is where our trucks hook up to. They have a hook that comes right under here, lifts up, and loads the bin right up onto the truck. There's no strapping and chain down involved. It's all done from inside the cab. So there's really not a lot involved. It makes it much more efficient than a standard cable lift truck that you'd use for general disposal. We weld these A-frames on. They're tied in to the rails that we put on the bottom. We have 2-foot welds that have around 20 passes of weld on each weld, inside, outside, at the bottom, and then up on the top, and then in here where it ties into the frame. So they're very strong, very secure, and very safe. And the last thing we're gonna do is clean this real quick and shoot it with a quick coat of primer and our signature white paint and send it out for service.